like almost flat calm out there. Okay, let's go. I've lost it. I've lost it. I lost it. I was so worried about that. Oh yes. Get into that. Yeah, that's a good one. 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 Yeah. Yeah, that's a good one. That's better. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's a good one. Yup. That's a good one. Definitely a good one. Yeah, it's a good size, man. Yup, look at the size of that one. Oh, how am I going to get that on? Try a net. I should really try the gaff, but just try a net.
Good snapper. Look at the size of that thing. Woo! Look at the size of that. We'll have some of that. Oh my goodness. Whoa, that is a good snapper. Whoosh! Oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Look at the size of that thing. Whoa, size of this thing. And that's a good fish, man. It's a nice start. Yo, that's a nice start.
Yeah. Got a nice one. A nice one. Definitely a snapper. What we got here? What we got here? 100% a snapper. Here we are, look at that one. Hey, lovely snapper. Lovely, lovely, lovely snapper. Okay. Lovely fish, man. Really nice fish, lovely fish, you know? Nice bit of snapper. It really is nice.
Yay! Another good one. Good snapper. Okay, so that's a keeper. bloody hell, what the hell? How'd you double, oh my goodness, double hook up on snapper? Oh goodness, don't know if I'll keep this. Put them both back, I think. See you, mate. Oops.
You know, it's all action here this morning. Woohoo! So now we are going to be doing some fish dishes. I'm going to be doing some, well, we've got blue cod and so we got some snapper. So let's have a think about it. I'll see what we're going to put on the menu. But at the moment we've got snapper and blue cod. But it was lots of fish today. My goodness. Whew. And it's good exercise as well in the kayak. Wow, amazing out there. Just the fish stopped biting, and I caught enough fish anyway in that though. When I catch enough fish for myself and my friends, I always just put the rest back. I don't really like freezing fish. You know, I only keep the fish that I want to use fresh. All right, let's see what we do with it now.